graphic. Okay. Okay, break graphic na po tayo. We're just waiting for the opening buzzer and opening whistle po for the tip-off for game number 1 championship between, of course, Alforno wearing in violet blue combination versus yan po ang green naman po. Yan po ang Janus Gourmet yun. Okay, we're about to start right now. First and only game. Game number 1. Okay, game number 1. Natay-talang po tayo mga boss for the opening whistle. Okay, talang po tayo. Opening whistle po tayo. Game number 1, possible action between Alforno and nandiyan po ang Janus Gourmet yun. Okay, before that, a word from our sponsors. Ito.
That's what guys, yung mga higaw nyo,
okay, mahigaw po ha, para pag-higaw, pintas, lahat po tanggalin. Bigay na lang sa akin para mas ano natin. Para masangla na lang natin. Okay, ito po ang Liga na Masikat PSB Basketball League. Like that, the following sponsors. Nandiyan po MC Cargo and McDonald's Qatar. Sambu natin po dyan ang Janus Basketball Team. Luxury Shanty, Janus Gourmet. Winang sa pare, of course, I was JPEX TV. Hukom Qatar, HB Kicks. And saan po natin po dyan po si Orsi Miso Crispo Duque, Sinag Digital Media at si I1 Nation. Of course, ituktok Saigon din po tayo. At the same time, this is now the finals between Alforno and Janus Gourmet. Yan. Who will win for the first game and carrying out the overwhelming advantage for towards game number 2. Chance to put away the series between Alforno and Janus Gourmet. Okay, we're just waiting for the opening tip-off, opening whistle. And maraming salamat po naman sa SPB, ako, Referee Association, for keeping the game in a neat and orderly fashion. Okay, tele po tayo para po sa ating larong ito. Ay, walang kwenta. Si Velasco, hindi na sagot ang volleyball. Marami ko goal dyan. Kasi marami ano, goal dyan. Isa na dyan, malakas si Coco. Pampakor si Coco yan. Okay, tayo po tayo ha. Huwag kayo magalaw, huwag kayo mahilip. Game number 1 coming up with Janus Gourmet and Alforno. Sige, tayo po tayo mga boss. Sino to? Nabuhay. Opening whistle. Okay, that's it. The opening buzzer now is in. Now, game number 1 will go but start right now. Game number 1 of the best of 3 final series between Alforno and Janus Gourmet.
let's go.
Okay, good luck to both teams. Ika nga po, sinasabi nga po talaga, shake hands and come out fighting. Ayan na. Okay, final words now from both coaches. Before we start now our game number 1 sa ating epic final series between Alforno and Janus Gourmet. Okay. Yan man. Dinidiri po natin po si Bakay in giving you the final instructions for both team for Alforno against also nandiyo po si Sierra Rosel. Coach sila po sa kabila po along with Dino. Okay, along with Dino. Yan. Coach wala si Coach Jose and of course si Winax nandiyo din naman sa aking coaching staff. Okay, Alforno Italian Masters versus Janus Gumetio will start right now in a momentarily. Okay, both teams, and this game is brought to you by SPB Ako Repair Association for keeping the game in a neat and orderly fashion. Okay, opening misses in. Hands. Tama no? Ako na kayo, diba? Ako react, Eri, diba? Ara na kayo, Ara. Thank you. Okay, SPB Eri po ha. Yung bagong grupo po ngayon, referee po dito. To keep the game in a neat and orderly fashion. First quarter will start right now.
We would like to thank our supporters and sponsors. Mahali Macaudo, Safe at Sigurado, Rich Matrix, Willow Samara, Jonas Gometio.
Okay, first quarter is on the way now between Janus and Alforno. Alforno wearing their own patented blue and violet or violet-blue combination. Idol, good luck yan. And sa Alforno po, when it's gold and green combination. Sir, coach, yan po coach ha. Okay, si Coach Dino nandiyan na rin. Yung kanyang coaching staff po ng Alpo ng Janus Gourmet. Okay, first quarter action will about to start with of course with Dante, Chaco, Akshay, Elias, and of course si Bakay sa kabanan po. Nandiyan po si Lorenia, si Patikin, Velasco, si Pardo, at si number
On players, please.
at si number 9. Yan po si Samar. Okay, all players na tinatapo. All players will please proceed to the middle para for the final instructions before we start the finals between Alforno and Janus Gourmet. Mapapalaban tayo dito, Mendes. Yeah, mapapalaban tayo.
Red hats and red shirt.
Okay. Final teams, final instruction now for both teams. Okay. Okay, sinasabi nga po dito, let's create memories. Yan. Yan. Bigyan tayo ng magandang ala-ala yan, sa larong ito.
First of all, thank you so much and congratulations and good luck. Good luck, the teams. And we will have a short briefing from our official referees from Hans and Richard and Rick Benji for the short briefing. Okay, guys, I would like request all of you please play hard but not dirty and enjoy the game and good luck. Good luck, guys. Thank you.
Napaka-brief pa. Okay, that's the word now for Commission Kume Aison. Since I play hard but not dirty. And I will now add some words also. Let's play to create some memories of this game. Okay. First quarter will start right now in 3, 2, 1. Game start. This game is brought to you by the following sponsors: McDonald's Qatar, McDonald's Guitar, Macaulay, Aggressive at Sigurado. Samura po dyan ang Laksa Vishanti, Janus Kumitiyo, and Janus Basutin Bakay. Nakuha! Akshay, nakuha, and same ball po tayo. Same ball. Nice hands. Bakay for the inbound. Okay. Okay, Bakay for the inbound. Bakay inbounding. Chaco, positioning. Chaco, no, it's Akshay. And 5 seconds violation. Nice guard. Nice stop by Janas. Okay, Ricky. Ricky for Bakay. Okay, Bakay will know. Bakay will continue for the coaching for Alcorno. And now Batigin, driving shot, Batigin! No good. Rebound, Ricky. Akshay. Binababa ang bola, Akshay. Bring down the ball. Akshay! Lost the ball. Again, balik po tayo. Janas ball. It's Batigin. No score yet. Batigin. Again, Chaco for the interception. And Akshay. Up si Daisy. Traveling violation called. Elias called for the traveling. Batigin, binababa ng bola. Matindi bantayan po ngayon. Both teams, wala pa so after almost 1 minute to go. Wala pa rin scoop hanggang ngayon. And now, Velasco. Loremia. Pops up for the Purdue. No good. Rebound. Okay, Alcorno ball, sabi. It says Alcorno ball. Alcorno, sabi po nila. Referee po natin yun. And Mr. Akshay. Hashim na big guarded na by Fajardo. Up! Foul called. Foul away from the ball. Fajardo called for the foul. I think the game plan now is to stop now number 42 from shooting. Akshay pops up for 3. No good. Rebound Loremia. Batigin, binababa ang bola, Batigin. Velasco. Nice rap play. Silabas muna. Samar. Nando sa Akshay. Good ball. Walang tawag. Akshay for 3. No good. Rebound Ricky. Dante. No good still. Ricky for the rebound. Akshay driving strong. Floating shot. Wala pa rin. Fajardo. 2 points Fajardo. Okay, Fajardo opening game now with 2 points. Layup by Fajardo, 2 points. Still complete again. Batigin. Up. Batigin also. Batigin. Out of bounds. Batigin for the inbound. Tunan. Batigin again. Blue positioning. Kick pass. Dante. Grand jam. Dinakdato. Dante bola. Pardo. No good. 2 points. Kaya lang papahinga lang yan ba? Alog lang yan, matibay naman yun. Matibay yan, kapag lang yan. Okay, 2 points Dante of the jam, but 2 points also from Fajardo. Alea by Fajardo, 2-4 po tayo ngayon. 2-4 po tayo. Akshay. Ricky. Nando pick. Ricky. No good. Pardo again, Pardo. Batigin. Velasco, driving strong. Look, it's Samar. Rebound by Dante. Foul called on Samar. The score is 2-4. At 7:32 remaining, you've seen now, matindi po, bantayan po for both teams talaga. Full 4-2 pa rin po score po natin. Elias. Akshay. Chaco. Akshay for 3. Bang! Okay, 4-5. Change favor now. 3 points back shy. 4-5. Batigin ng Akshay. Nakalusot. Nice one, Samar. Ahit ng Otek. Pardo. And 3-second violation. Second violation call. Hashim. On Elias, 42. Elias, shake and pick. Elias, drive show, the lefty, 2 points. Ayan na, the lefty. Pardo, foul called. Nice layup by the lefty. That's Elias, number 42. The score is 4-7. Wait mukhang may ano yata. Both, okay, we have an official timeout. I think there's you have to check one of the boards. Napalakas yung dakdak yata ni Dante kanina, kaya medyo umano yata. Na-offline yung ano. Okay, habang may batyang corner yata tayo. Ha? Medyo shaky.
Baka po hindi po siya nakalap.
Sige. Okay, ano tayo? Basa tayo. Mark Anthony Amboyang and to us watching right now. Magalaw ang camera. Okay, sir. Noted po. Benji Carlos, nagbabebe yung camera. Okay, noted sir, noted. Okay, thank you.
Pakichat po yun, baka pumalawa.
Okay, back to the ball game. Pardo shooting for 2. Okay na? Okay, Pardo shooting for 2. First shot. It's out. Second throw, jumpers ready. Number 21, Fado, second throw, jumpers ready po tayo. Pops up. Okay, basket made. Nandiyan po si De La Cruz. Para kay Samar. Chaco, binababa ang bola. Lorenia. Bakay. Ricky. 2 points. Nilabas. 5-7 ang score. 5-7. Batingin for 3. No good. Rebound by Chaco. Hashim again. Wala. Foul counted.
There's number 21, Vincent Ohio. 7, Christian Brown.
Okay, Elias for the bonus free throw. The score is 9-5. Pops up. It's out. Rebound, De La Cruz. Aaron draw sa rebound. Batingin again. Batingin, binaba ang bola. Batingin. Kalisin, pinapati na niya Elias. Aaron, De La Cruz, Panyal. Again, Velasco, pops up. No good. Chaco, binato. Nando si Batingin. Balik mo na yung bola. Balik mo na yung bola. Up sa Velasco, 2 points. Hop!
Subdivision.
Okay, mukhang may ano talaga. Okay, sab muna po si Dante. Dante mukhang naputukan yata sa labi. The score is 7-9. Akshay, nilabas muna. Jane, pinasok mo si Jane. Chaco. Bakay, is inside also. Chaco. Ricky for 3, ayaw. Ricky, hoop shot, no good. Rebound battle by Patin. Patin again. Velasco, same spot, malakas. Hashim. Hashim, 2 points. Elias, 2 points, 11-7 ang score. Lamang muli po ng 4, Kalisi nasa loob na rin. Batigin, pops up for 3. Wala. Nando si Velasco. Nando si Chaco. Chaco, binababola. Chaco. Hashim, tapos sa bola. Okay, Jana sensing some troubles already ahead. They call now for the timeout. Okay, 5:07 remaining. The score right now is 13-7. There's a 6-point lead advantage already been posted now by Alforno over Janus Gourmet. Okay, ito po ang laro po ngayon. Janus Gourmet versus Alforno. Okay, back to the ball game. The score is 7-13. Laman na po ng 6 po ang Alforno over Janus. Okay, balik tayo. Kalisin again. Binababambol ni Kalisin. Kalisin, the assassin. Air Dragos, papal! Block by Ricky. Smothered by Ricky.
Iba.
Okay, 14 seconds remain to shoot. Hands. Pesarillo. Pops up. Nope. Chaco is there. Binato agad. Wala sumalo. Ayun na, Bakay for 3. Ayaw. It's Hashim. No good. Out of bounds. Balik muli po tayo sa ating laban ngayon. Ito po tayo ngayon. And now this Kalishin. Velasco! 2 points, Velasco. Velasco, dalawang big man ng Janus Gourmet. Bakay, binababa ang bola. Bakay, kanyang playing coach. Ricky driving strong. Kiniliwa, kinana. Chaco is there. Chaco pops up. Wala. And Pesarillo against Ricky. Binato. Hans Cañedo. Nakalusot si Hans. Hans Cañedo. Palpa! Swipe away by Mr. Chaco, the main man. Okay, Chaco. And no, Hans. Nando sa Kalishin for 3. No! Still has to find the range. Bakay, binababa ang bola. And Ricky, ayaw. Bakay, malakas. pass. Rebound battle by, of course, nandiyan po si Mr. Kalisin. Kalisin against Jane. Kalisin. Aaron De La Cruz. Oy! Oh! Foul po. The referee says it's foul.
Person number 7,
Jane Chaco, first personal foul, blocking foul called. Aaron De La Cruz shooting for 2. Aaron De La Cruz shooting for 2. Pops up, pasok. Second shot, Jobbers ready. Okay, Coach Rosel also is already up in arms also. Standing up both coaches now, and it's in. Okay, substitution now. Jain will go out now for Mr. Dante. Okay, Dante. Okay, shot po dyan po ha. Chaco. Chaco, setting up the play. Chaco. Chaco, it's Velasco. Chaco, floater shot, no good. Rebound, Velasco. Bahag, Pesarillo, no good. Rebound, pero nice hustle play by Aaron De La Cruz. Earning again the free throws on the line. Number 18, Andrew shooting for 2. First shot. Wala. Second throw, jumpers ready po tayo. Second free throw, jumpers ready po tayo. Pops up. Wala pareho. Dante. And Elias. Binababa ang bola. Elias. Ricky. And Chaco. Bakay. Wow! Bakay shooting for 2 for sure. Kalisin called for a foul. Janas 14 fouls already, 1 for penalty. And of course, Bakay shooting for 2. First shot, Bakay. It's in. Nice shot. Second shot by Bakay. Second throw by Bakay. It's wala daw. Bakay. Both basket made. Again, a 4-point lead advantage again by Alforno over Janice Gourmet. Both coaches are also up with their feet already. Pesarillo! Pasok ka bola. Nice pop and stop by Pesarillo. Again, guard shooting again. Number 14 being countered down by Hans Cañedo. Hans. Okay. Bakay again against Kalisin. Bakay using the body. Bakay. Fadeaway shot. No, it's Chaco. No. Rebound, Dante. Foul. Take 2. Kalisin called for a foul again. Okay, Patikin, pinasok mo na para Kalisin. Okay, fail situation now. Janice failed already. And now Dante shooting for 2. First shot, the big man, Dante. It's out. Second shot, jumper ready. Second throw, jumper ready po tayo. Dante, both basket no. Nando si Ricky. Dante. Bakay against Patikin. Chaco. Dante sa ilalim. Fadeaway shot. 2 points. Again, 4 points again. Patikin, driving strong, Patikin, dukot, wala. And Chaco, to Bakay, Ricky, wala. Ricky again, 2 points. the biggest lead so far at 6 points. Out of bounds! Halika rito. Hashim. Dante, wala. Wala rin, malakas. Bakay, 2 points. Vintage Bakay. Okay. Pesarillo. Velasco, 2 points. Velasco, 2 points. Hashim! Foul again! Sumabit! Okay, Hashim, number 42, shooting for 2. 21-15, 18 seconds remaining sa ating larong ito. Pops up, pasok. It's patok. Second throw, jumpers ready. Again, Hashim pops up. No. Nado Ricky. 2 points. Ouch. That hurts. 9-point advantage now. Patigil, wala. Rebound battle won by Alforno. Wala na. Okay, after first 10 minutes, lamang po ang Alforno, Siyam, 15-24. Second quarter will start immediately. Okay. Okay, back to the ball game. Second quarter start right now. Second quarter po tayo ngayon. Will start right now. Okay, after first 10 minutes, lamang po ang Alforno, Siyam, 15-24.
Okay. Back to the ball game.
Okay, second quarter start right now. Okay, batingin na to Duran number 1. Duran, and not to batingin again. Batingin. Batingin, batingin. Kev de la Cruz, batingin again, batingin. Batingin, batingin. Batingin. Samar. Duran number 1, ako na pick. Nice one, Samar. Pero de la Cruz, go good. Nice swipe, and again, Hashim. Elias to Bakay. Bakay, malakas. Malalim masyado, malalim. Patigin lang, patigin lang lusot. Patigin. De la Cruz, wala. Gino Jolens. Eh, Bakay na, Bakay. Malakas. Bakay muli. Wala pa rin. Out of bounds. Green ball. Patindi bantayan. Pero steadyhan sa patyan. Janas has to do something about the big men. 24-15. Okay, substitution now. Okay, that's Acuna. Ilabas muna para kay Aaron de la Cruz. Patigin. Patigin, driving strong. Samar, wala. Rebound by Dante. Dante again, rebounding. Dante. No good. Sayang. Patingin. Velasco, wala. No good. Chaco again, 8:42 remaining. Second quarter action. Velasco. Dante, 2 points. Dante, pang-top yun, ha? Okay, 11-point advantage. The biggest lead so far now. It's 11-point advantage. And now, Batigin! Sabi ni Chaco, hindi ngayon. Not today, my friend. Not today. Sabi ni Chaco. No good. De La Cruz. Okay. Nice one by Velasco. Acuña again, Acuña. Nato, Hashim! Bang! Malakaw! No good. Hindi na ko yung bola. Batigin! No good. Chaco. Hindi nagpapag. And back again. Bakay! Wala. Samar to Batigin. Aaron! Palpal! Swipe away by Dante. Dante says, not in my house, boy. Not in my house. Okay, inbound again, Janas. Up!
Chaco, wag naman ganon.
Verse number 7, Simon Chaco. Second prisoner ball, second kick-off.
Chaco.
First kick-off.
Okay, Dante coming back again. I think she has the blood bleeding lips. And now, Samar. Dura number one. Nice one, Batigin. Swipe away. Hashim. Nice D, Acuña. Okay, Alcorno called for timeout. The score is 26-15. Napako na after some time now yung Janas Gourmet. That maybe not a good sign. You have to do something fast, or else the ball game will slip now to Alcorno. Okay. Back to the ball game. Akshay, bumasok na rin po pala para sa Alcorno. Nilabas muna para kay Bakay. Akshay, Chaco, positioning. Dante, wala. Rebound, Chaco, the main man. Akshay, no good. Rebound again na by Ricky. Dante. Hoy! Traveling called on Dante. Dante called on traveling. Now Acuña for the inbound. Acuña. Then to Batigin. Batigin for 2. No. Ricky. Binababa ang bola. Hashim. Chaco. Akshay. Ricky. Tapos. Rebound by Dante. Rebound by Duran number 1 to Batigin. Batingin. Acuna for 3. Nope. Rebound. Green. Blue ball. Alforno ball. Wala daw po ng Alforno, sabi nila. Ayan. Hashim. Chaco. Bang! Biggest is so far now 13 points. Duran number 1. Duran number 1. Acuna for 3. No good. Wow! Okay, Duran number 1 called for the foul. 5:53 remaining sa ating larong ito. Chaco number 7. Akshay for 3. No. Boy! Tinulak. Pushing foul call on Hashim or Elias. Napako na sa 15. Please take note po, Janice has been scoreless already for almost 3 minutes of the ball game. Batikin. Aaron, no good. It's shot. Hashim. Pasok bola. Batikin. Foul called. Number 42 called for a foul. Okay, substitution muna ngayon. Elias, third personal foul already. But he will have to sit this out for the remaining of the second quarter to preserving to for third and fourth quarter. Nakatatlo lang si Elias. Kalisin. Taipet. And nando si Duran. Lorena. Sweet spot. Pasok. Sa wakas, nakaskor ng Janas. 4:54 remaining. Bakay commanding the team. And Akshay. Ricky, naipit. Still completed. Nandun si Bakay. Foul. Number 15, pushing foul. Number 15, pushing foul call for the push. Alforno also warning for penalty. 14 fouls, Alforno. Again now, Mr. Kalisin. Kalisin ang lusot. Duran na baba for 3. No good. Tama. Foul call. Foul on Dante for sure. Hinampas. Jersey number 78 confirmed. It's Dante. And it's penalty situation also for Alforno. Samar number 9 shooting for 2. A 13 lead point advantage. Still by Alforno. Second shot, jumpers ready po tayo. Pops up. Wala pareho. Ouch, that hurts. And Chaco binabantayan. Chaco, the main man. And Chaco again. Ricky. And Akshay, driving strong. Akshay, kick pass to Chaco. No good. Rebound, Bakay. Palpal. Kaya ni Kalisin, foul. Saan ang galing si Bakay? Bakay shooting for 2. Okay, Kalisin, dalabas muna ulit. Nakakatatlong polo riyan si Kalisin. Tansya ko. Bakay shooting for 2. First shot, Bakay. Pasok. Bakay, the lefty, pinasok. Second shot by Bakay. Bakay, maraming pakay si Bakay. Pops up. No good. Ginulat. And Duran number 1. Lorraine again. Lorraine madraming siyong. Ayaw. Malalim, maipit. Pahago. Nice one! 2 points. Aaron de la Cruz. 31-19, still 12-point advantage. Been enjoyed by Alforno. Akshay. Kick pass, ang lakas. I think it slipped. Dumalas ang bola. Okay, Duran na board, nilabas muna para kay Mr. Kalisin.
Hindi manalo makapakinig. It's okay na to. Just miss the ball.
Okay, back to the ball game again tayo. Pahardo to Kalisin. 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 Kalisin.
Mali! Ikaw!
Kalisin for 3. No, it's Pahardo. Pahardo. Malakas. No good. Akshay, 2 points. 2 points Akshay, 33-19. A 14-did advantage again, Before Fordo. Akshay against Kalisin. Nakuha ng pick. Ricky. Ricky. Ricky, Kalisin, nakalisot. Wala pinasahan. Nice try, nice try. 2:53 remaining, second quarter action. It's going to close. Akshay, Chaco, back to Bakay, Bakay. Nandun si Kalisin. Kalisin, 2 points na yan. Wala na. Lista na yan. Hindi na kinakalang fouling yun dahil sino ano. Lost cost yun pag pinol pa yun. Akshay, Bakay again. Bakay! Malakas. Rebound battle won by the green shirts. Kalisin again. Kalisin. Nice one! Okay, back to back. 10 na nakalamangan muli po ng Alforno. Extra passing needs, maybe the key to break the offense and defense of Alforno by Giannis Gourmet. And Mr. Bakay. Bakay, pinapatay ni Velasco. Bakay, Nobis Akshay. Akshay! No good. Again, De La Cruz. De La Cruz, magmamadali. De La Cruz. Velasco pops up. No good. Akshay! Foul called. Okay, who's foul rep for sure?
Number 26.
Okay, Lorena called for a foul. Cylinder. Janice Gumaytio called for the timeout. The score is 20-33. And a minute to 30 seconds remaining for the second quarter action. Okay, maraming salamat po. Timeout po. Nag-timeout po ang break graphic muna po tayo. This is game number 1 sa ating best of 3 series. Okay, back to the ball game muli po tayo. Okay. Back to the ball game muli po tayo. Hashim. Bakay pops up. No good. Rebound. Chaco again. Chaco. Hashim again. Pops up for 3. Tapos. Rebound down by Velasco. Velasco. Lorena again. Lorena. Nawala bola. Chaco. 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 Akshay nilabas muna. Okay, regroup. He wants to regroup daw. Akshay. Hashim. Landon. And Kalisin. Going down. Okay, Alforno called down for the timeout. Okay, you're watching a game number 1 of the final series for PSBQ Basketball League. Maraming salamat po sa ating mga nagsubaybay po sa atin for the past sleepless nights, and we're always live po tayo dito sa The Burning Season International School in Doha. Yan po, nasa Masuro po tayo. Already a great night basketball action para po sa ating game number 1 ng ating serye ito. Okay, slowly but surely Giannis Gomez is going back again to the ball game. Now at 8 points na lang po ang kalamangan po ng Alforno at 52 seconds remaining. Akshay against Fajardo. Dante, Chakov, Akshay against Fajardo again. Hashim, Dante, top of the key. Yes, sirree. Dante, top of the key. Yes, sirree. Fajardo, lipit. Kalisin for 3. Nope. Kalisin again, naka-recover. Foul! Nice try. Nice shot by Aaron. I think because of the presence of the big man, they have to do the basket very quick. Or else, for sure, lalamunin sila ng depensa ng big man ng Alforno. Nope. Second shot, Velasco, jumpers ready po tayo. Pops up, pasok. Okay, 9-point advantage. 70 seconds na lang ang nalalabay sa ating first half action. Okay po tayo. Ito po tayo yung Mr. Akshay. Binababa ang bola. Akshay. And Chaco. Akshay again. Akshay. Kick pass. Mali, pinasahan. 5 seconds remaining. 5 seconds to shoot. Nope. Fajardo! Sayang! Okay, after 2 quarters, lamang po ng Alforno, 26-35, a 9-point lead advantage by Team Alforno Italian Masters. Okay. Okay, habang po tayo naka-break po tayo, hanap buhay muna po tayo. This is your PSBQ. We'd like to thank the following sponsors: Marla Kakago, McDonald's Qatar. Saan po natin po dyan ang Dr. Beshanti, Giannis Basketball Team, Giannis Gamitio, Winx Apparel. Of course, nandiyan po ang JPEX TV, Hookup Apparel, HB Kicks. Of course, nandiyan po ang Sinag Digital Media, Christopher Duque. Nandiyan din po si Iowa Nation, and of course at Tok Tok Saigon Restaurant. And of course nandiyan po din po, ito na po ang the finals between Alforno and Giannis Gourmet. Of course, and of course, okay, sa po rito, meron pong pesos po rito ang Tok Tok Saigon. Taste the essence of Thailand, Vietnamese and Burmese cuisine. A bold street food classic made to delight at Tok Tok Saigon Restaurant. Kids friendly po kami at vegan options are available. Kami open daily po. And for reservations, just call the number 3079-888-9. Yan po ang Tok Tok Saigon Restaurant. Yan. Halftime po tayo. The score is 26-35. Halftime po ang ating laban ngayon. I think yan yung pinakamayari at corner. Pinakamayari po. Sige, break graphic muna po tayo. We'll be back. Magbabalik po kami po after 5 minutes. Halftime po tayo ngayon between Alforno and Janos Cometio. Okay, back to the ball game. Hindi po tayo. Pati po, sunod po tayo yun. Asan suming. But of course, una po, Dante Gulayat sa amin, Minisyon Nico Garcia. Wala. Nice. Okay, back to the ball game. Back to the ball game ulit po tayo. Change ko na po tayo ngayon. Okay, change ko na po tayo. Third quarter action. Okay. Basa. Okay, sabi ni Eren, pasok para sa Kala. Go, Janas. Of course, hindi ko kasi okay. Back to the ball game ulit pa tayo, Akshay. And Elias, Akshay again, Akshay. Chaco. And Akshay for 3. Dante, naka-rebound. Akshay again. Dante for 3. No good. One more time. Another advantage. Another rebound. And now, Hashim. 2 points. And one point by Jolens. Not Jolens, Jolens.
That's number 6. Roddy Velasco. First personal foul.
Okay, Pardo, binababola, Pardo, 2 points. Again, a 9-point advantage again by Alforno over Janis Gramey. Hashim, pops up, wala. Rebound by the green shirts. And Batingin nagmamadali. Batingin. Against Akshay. Fajardo, uy! Out of bounds. Akshay. Chaco again. Chaco. Ricky pops up. Wala. Nice rebound. Rebound again by Kalisin. Nagmamadali. Kalisin. Velasco. Nice block. Same goal. Nice block by Ricky.
And the shoot. 10 seconds to shoot.
Now Ricky using Ricky acting now as a center. Velasco, malakas. Akshay, 2 points. 39-28 again on it. And the level with advantage again. Pali, Pardo, Pagpal! Smothered! Nice one by Batingin! Batingin again. Hashim. Malikot pa sa abang bata. Ito na, Chaco to Mr. Akshay. 2 points. 41-30. Now 11-point advantage again by Alforno over Janas. No! Kalisin almost had it.
Ball was number 7, Chaco. Third personal foul. Personal foul.
Kalisin again. First shot. It's in. 10-20. Second shot. Kalisin. No good. Rebound. Kalisin for 3. No good still. One more time. Another attempt. Batiin, pops up! Tama tiki! Pasok! Again, 8. Kalaman na 8. 8 na lang. 8. Hashim. Chaco almost had lost the ball. Tingnan. Kalisin again, pops up. Pasok na yan. Now it's high time. Okay, from a high of 13 points, now down to 6 points. Ang kalamangan nila po ng Alforno. Hashim or Elias, number 42, driving the ball. For 3, pops up. Pasok sana. Ayaw. Wala. And Chaco again, Chaco. Hashim! 2 points Hashim. Iniwan yung lane pa, yung gitna. And Batigin. Batigin, pops up. No good. Rebound by Chaco. And Hashim. Chaco. Pops up for 3. No. Rebound by Mr. Kalisin. Kalisin, 5:13 remaining. Third quarter action. Bahado, doon sa lang pasok. Ayan naman. Anim na naman ang kalabangan ng Alforno over Janas. Hashim. Hashim! Papal! Yan ang binabayaran kay Velasco. Yung block niya, hindi na may puntos. Yung block ni Velasco binabayaran doon.
Akshay, take rest!
Okay, again. Akshay, Chaco again. Chaco, Akshay. Dante, pops up. Pasok ang bola. Same ball. Sabi, same ball daw. Okay, Bakay, lapapasok muna para kay Ricky. Okay, Bakay. Mukhang kinakailangan yata ng court general ngayon. Si Bakay nandyan. Velasco. Nilabas muna. Again, Kalisin. Extra pass. Wala na! Nasobra. Thomas passing, my friend. Okay, balik muli po sa Alforno bola. An 8-point advantage again by Alforno over. 8-point advantage again of Alforno over. Nakuha! Foul!
Bakay, first personal foul, second team foul. Alforno.
Balik tayo muli po sa laro natin ito. Ito na. Batikin, pinababa ang bola. Batikin. Nakalusot. Uy! Hashim. Walang pinasahan. Okay, lucky break po tayo. Sa pasa. Alforno ball muli po tayo. Alforno ball. And Akshay, binababa ang bola. Akshay. Pops up, Chaco. Bang! Now that hurts. Bahar Pesarillo. Lando Velasco. Wala, kapos pa rin. And one play. Wala, down. Sabi, it's down. Referee says it's down. Kontra. Sa akin, sabi po rito, San Arcano Gado, shout out from Mark Del Pilar, of course, Madam Catherine Mosa, good luck both teams. Okay, maraming salamat po. Okay, sab muna po tayo. I think Dante will sit this one out now para po support ng final quarter. Pinagpahinga muna siya. Again, Janice Gomez, inbounding. Samar against Bagay. Palpal! Nice one by Ricky. Nice swipe by Ricky. And nothing si Samar. Nice. Bumawi si Samar. Samar over against Bagay. Pesarillo, fadeaway shot. Pops up. No good. Chaco again. Chaco setting up the pace. Chaco, siniset ang play yun. Chaco for 3. No good. And Mr. Fajardo. Patigin. Wala. Foul. Fajardo called for the foul. Second team foul, Janas.
Meantime, 2 minutes and
2:25 remaining. Alforno still enjoying a comfortable 11-point lead. Okay. Hashim na pinapatay naman ni Batibin. Nakuha ng ball siya. Hashim for 3. Look. Sama naka-rebound. Fajardo. Fajardo. 2 points. Okay, laman ang libing ng siyam na naman. A 9-point lead advantage again be posted by Alforno. Hashim, malakas. Rebound, Hashim. Pops up, Bakay. Wala pa rin. Rebound, Ricky, double team. Ricky nakalusot. No good. Bakay, nandun. Wala na. Balik sa green ng bola. Sabi na po, Janas pull down, Janas pull. Mangnegi Kit. Shoutout Benjo Carlos, matulog ka na. Okay. Sino yun? Di ko alam. Basta shoutout lang daw. Velasco, 2 points. Okay, Sirin. Okay, day to target. Again, nabuhay na naman volley po ang Janas Gourmet. Okay, shoutout po na po tayo dito. Sabi nga si Manegi Kit, shoutout Benjo Carlos, matulog ka na raw. Of course, sampo natin po si Mark Del Pilar, shoutout din po from Mr. Gado. And from Kamat kay Madam Kat, both teams po, good luck po tayo. Okay, back to the ball game. At 1 minute 24 remaining third quarter action. The score is 41-48. Eh, maraming ano. Yan ang head coach talaga nila. Player din daw dati yan daw, sabi yun. Player daw dati daw yan. Player daw din daw. Ha? Again, Ricky. Chaco again. Chaco to Mr. Bakay. Ayaw, ay pasa. Ay, Bakay na, Bakay for 3. Wala. Chaco, 2 points. Chaco, the main man. Again, Fajardo, 2 points, Fajardo. 52 seconds remaining. Bakay, pops up, kapos. Again, Chasa, para hindi makalamangan. Ito naman siya. Pesarillo, fadeaway shot, malakas. Rebound by Hashim. Actually, foul called. Blocking foul called. Dino says call for a timeout for Janas. 33 seconds remaining. Ang score po natin is 43-50.
Remaining time 33 seconds. Official score.
Sabi ni Benji sa Sabado, isang bote lang daw. Okay? Okay, San Ascano Gado, pakibantay daw po yung aso. And of course, Sato po, kay Sabado, Wednesday pa lang. Okay, mukhang nag-inuman na sila. Okay, 33 seconds remaining. The score is 43-50. Lamang pa rin po ang Alforno ng 7. Okay, third quarter. 33 seconds remaining. Akshay for the inbound. Chaco again. Chaco. Boy! Offensive foul. Illegal pick. Moving pick. Moving pick. Chaco, 4 personal fouls, 1 for graduate. Pistolil again. Velasco and Chaco. Velasco na ulusot. 2 points. 50-45, 40 seconds remaining. Bakay, nagmamadali. Bakay, binababa ang bola. To Chaco again. Chaco. Bakay. Akshay, nakalusot si Akshay. Wala na. Okay, third quarter natapos na po. The score is 45-50. Lamang pa rin po na 5 ang Alforno. From a 30-point advantage, naibaba na po ng Janas into 5 points. Okay, antay-antay na po tayo.
Once again, we would like to thank our supporters and sponsors. Mahalo Hardware, St. Maxi Gulado.
Okay, fourth and final quarter. Final 10 minutes of this basketball ball game. Game number 1 is about to going to a close. Okay, game number 1 po is patapos na po. Final 10 seconds na lang. Bola pa ng Janas. Chance to trim down the lead further down to 3 points or possible 2 points kung ay 3-point play po yan. Fajardo, boss. And of course, si Batikin. Mapasa niya kay Batikin. Binababa ang bola ni Batikin ngayon. Batikin rin si Akshay. Velasco against Dante. Nakalusot. Swiped away. Okay, acknowledge siya. Dumulas yung bola sa kanya. Akshay, binaba yung bola. Akshay for the inbound. And now, Toshim. Dante, binaba yung bola. To Akshay again. Akshay. Bakay for 3. Wala. Rebound, Garuan, Velasco. Okay, Mr. Batikin. Malakas! Lagi si Batikin! Sama! Wala pa rin! Velasco! 2 points! Nice training job by Velasco. Okay, nag-buhay pa siya ng station. Akshay against Velasco. Akshay, Dante pops up. Wala. Ricky, wala. Same ball. Walang takot. Puso talaga. Puso, pare. Puso. Sabi puso. Foul! Sa ilalim. Aray. Bakay call for a foul. Second personal foul. First team pa ng Alforno. 8:42 remaining. Pardo. Velasco pops up. Bang! Okay, ito na. Isa na lang ang kalabakan ng Alforno. Akshay. Hashim. Good ball. Akshay, ngayon ang isa. Pasok ang bola. Pamatay sunog. Pamatay sunog. Lost the ball. Bangay! Ako sayang. Batiin. Double dribble. Double dribble. Bakay out, labas muna. Tsaka ako pinasok muli. Still, Chaco as a factor also, another big man. Twin tower combination. Again, twin tower combination again. Being done by Alforno. Twin tower, kung tutusin sila, oh. May twin tower sila. Okay, Pasarilo, binabantayan yun. Binabantayan si Hashim. Chaco, 3-3, ayaw. Ricky. Traveling direction po. Traveling direction called. The referees now also. They're getting stricter and stricter every minute, ensuring the game is in a good mode. Kalisi. Velasco pops up. Wala. Foul. Pushing foul. Ouch. Mr. called for a foul. Okay, out of a 3-point ni Chao kanina kay Lumo pumili po sa apat ang laro po ang kalaman po ng Alforno. Akshay for 3, ayaw. Akshay against Fajardo. Ricky, Akshay na yung magsa. Pasok ang bola! Malagwan na naman ang kalamangan. 2 points. Okay, 5. Hashim. Whoop! And one play. Lucky bounce. Peserillo called for a foul. Peserillo for personal fouls, warning for Gradway. Okay, Duran nilabas. Okay, Peserillo nilabas muna para kay Batigin. Hashim, bonus free throw coming up. Pasok ang bola. Again, an 8-point advantage again by Alforno. From the down of 1, umalagwan naman sa 8, kalamangan ng Alforno. Fajardo, malakas. Foul. Nice try, tip. Nice tip sana ni Aaron De La Cruz. Okay, good morning po Qatar. Good morning to you world. It's already 12 o'clock midnight and still mainit pa rin po ang basketball action dito sa the current season international window. Second shot. Wala. Dante naka-rebound. Akshay gets Kalisin. Foul. Elbow. Again, Kalisin called for a foul. One against you also, one for graduate, 4 personal foul. One for graduate. Ricky, kapos. Dante, wala pa rin. Pasok ang bola. Pardo. 2 points Pardo. Hashim, nakalusot. Step away jumper, wala. Chaco, wala rin. Nandun si Hashim. Yes again, Elias Akshay. Okay, may mga comment po dito. Anong quarter na sir? Sir Greg de la Cruz, nakakam. 4th quarter na po tayo, Mr. Greg de la Cruz. And of course, Kanoy P po, shoutout po sa kay Kanoy P, yung ating matinding vlogger din po dito. Sabi na, umuwi na kami, balik siguro kami sa game number 2, inshallah. Okay, sabi na BJ Sabado, ha ha ha. Nice one. G. Putsi, Marce Roby Velasco. Ayan, sabi ni Aero Ramos. Sabi ni BJ Sabado, shoutout, bago talaga sila kay, ha ha ha. Of course, kumpiyansa. Kumpiyansa lang daw sinasabi nila. Fajardo. Lamang na wala muli po. Fajardo. Rap play. And one. Pasok. Okay, aling na naman ang kalamangan. Ito naman. Aling na naman ang kalamangan. Akshay for 3. Ayaw. Okay, pops up. Malakas. Rebound. Uy, wala. Again, chance again to trim the lead down to 4 points. Kalisin. No, it's patingin. Tapos. Akshay. Elias. Pasok ako. Timeout call. Janice gonna call for a timeout again. Sorry. Okay. Again, a 7-point lead advantage by Alforno over Janice Gourmet. Okay, sorry. The score official is 63-55. Laman po ng 8 ang Alforno. Time remaining po is 4 minutes 10 seconds remaining. 4 minutes 10 seconds remaining. At maraming salamat po sa ating viewers po right now. We're now peaking at 80 viewers already sa gabing ito. Kahit madaling araw po sa Qatar. Nag-alas 12 na po kasi maraming salamat po. Kasama niyo po rin po kami for watching game number 1 sa ating epic basketball showdown between Alforno and Janice Gourmet. Pardo. Pops up. Wala. Rebound by Pardo. Pardo again. Pardo. Okay. Okay, Bella. Ricky. Okay, Ricky and Velasco double foul called. Same ball, Janice ball.
Sir, Edith De La Cruz.
De La Cruz, sorry. De La Cruz daw. Okay, balik tayo.
Philippines Warren Penalty.
Velasco. Nakalusot. 2 points. Up! Stepping on the line. Okay, that's a critical error committed by Akshay. Kalisin again. Kalisin. De La Cruz, 2 points. Again, apat na lang. Apat na naman. Apat na naman. 3:25 remaining. Chaco against Fajardo. Hashim. Up! Holding foul call. Holding foul call, sabi na referee. Okay, Chanas, the time upon Chanas. Okay, up. Up! Okay, technical foul. Okay, technical foul call. Buong umilit na. Naka-timeout yun ah. O, sabi, naka-timeout to. Okay. Okay, they'll confirm now. Okay, tensions flaring high already. Mukhang maano. Mimosas also getting in a fever pitch also. Okay, medyo inano lang po na. Mag-meeting muna po ang mga commissioners po natin. Okay. Magbe-break. Grab muna po tayo. Mamaya, balik muna po tayo. Sige. Okay, habang tayo po nasa okay, uwi po tayo. Nakatama, okay, 3 minutes 5 seconds remaining. Okay, 3 minutes 5. Okay. Okay, Chanas make slap with a technical. Dino, si Coach Dino. Okay, mga ano yata. Okay. Okay, sa iso pumasok na rin po. Magbe-break, graphic muna po tayo. Magbabalik po kami. Maraming salamat po. Okay, ball game. Okay, Hashim talaga, confirm talaga, technical foul talaga. It's in, pumasok. Okay, laman po ng kalima muli po ang Alforno. Okay, both teams penalty po tayo. Penalty situation pa pala. Both teams man ang penalty. Oh, tuloy po tayo. That's all 60/59. Hashim again. Pops up. Wala. Second jumper. Second throw. Jumper's ready. 59-64.
Second throw by Pierre.
Laman po ng 5 muli po ang Alforno. Hashim. Wala. Wala pareho. Fajardo. Fajardo. Velasco. Velasco is Dante. Velasco, Dante. Binato muna. Fajardo. Palmal. Triple jump. Baka nasa approach siya. Okay, that's Elias, 2 points. Crazy 2 points. Lima muli. Kaya po yan doon, sabi niya. Eric Persaces, kaya pa daw yan. Hoy! Chaco. Last 2 minutes. Akshay, second pick. Ricky. Wow! Double travel elimination. Okay, sabi Hero Bangos, Boss Alvin, pa-shoutout po. Hero Bangos Vlogs, 11 duty. Sa, 11 duty to yung Kenya. Dalo ko, okay. Good luck both teams. Maraming salamat, sir. Okay, high blood po si Coach Dino, sabi ni Head Martial. Eh, sabi yung Biadam, Eric Palsakal, ha? 5 points lang daw yan, kaya pa daw yan. Kalisi for 3. Wala. Green ball. Green ball. Okay, Fajardo. Batingin. Against Akshay. Nako ng pick. Batingin. Fajardo. Maliwanag. Hindi. Pops up. Kalisin. 2 points. Kalisin. Ito na kailangan Kalisin. 3 points na lang. Hindi mo ka naman Kalisin dito. Kalisin dito. Pop up now. Kailangan na pumutok si Kalisin. Malakas. Eh, kinamuli pa tayo. Wow! Akshay for a foul. Chanas Gourmet penalty situation also. Chance to trim the lead down to 1 point again. Fajardo, kinakalang isip mo to. Fajardo, first shot. Naku! Out! Fajardo, second throw, jumpers ready. Fajardo, second throw, jumpers ready. 66-63. 1 minute 12 remaining. Pops up. Pasok. Okay, nag-time out po. Alforno called for a timeout. Break, graphic muna po tayo. Magbabalik po kami. Huwag kayong alis. Okay, habang po din sinasabi po dito. Okay, sabi ni Hirbax po, Boss Arvin G, pa-shoutout po, Hirbax Vlog. 11 duty ko sa game. Dalo ako, bulak both teams. Okay. And nice one. From Aero Ramos, nice one. Good si Marce Robbie Velasco. And po si Jet Marce, habla to si Coach Dino. Okay, and marami po mangyari po dyan. The score right now is 64-66. 1:12 remaining, still an eternity of basketball for both teams. Anything goes pa rin to. At back to the ball game muli po tayo. Eto na. Bola po ng Alforno. I think they will go now for man-to-man. Okay, trapping daw, trapping na, trapping. Elias. Ano sa patigil? Lang shot! Lumusot! And okay! Grabe! Ouch! Yun nga. Tabla! 66 all!
Same time score. And the finish.
Ano nangyari? Okay, for the lead. Batikin for the lead. Batikin para si Kalalamang ng bola. Ano nangyari? Chaco, 5 personal fouls. Chaco, 5 personal fouls, graduate. Okay, nawala na po isang big man ng Alforno. Isa na lang ang problema, si Dante na lang. Batikin for the lead. Batikin para si Kalalaman. Batikin for the lead. Batikin, pops up. Wala. Rebound battle. Velasco. Walas. Randy Nassim. Tabla tayo. 6 goal. 55 seconds remaining. Batikin, awan na po. Batikin again. Bakay, sorry. Bakay. Hashim against Batikin. Batikin. Akshay, pops up. Wala. Rebound battle by Velasco. Ito na. Kalisin. Velasco, bilisan mo. Sabi nila, bilisan mo raw. Pardo, Kalisin pa 3. Goal! Now, they want to stop now for sure. They will stop no Akshay and Hashim at all costs. For sure silang set, bibirada niya para may tabla muli po ang team Alforno. Shoutout po tayo, sabi ni Jay Santana. Ang galing! Tama nga po, magaling talaga. Ito'y bayan ng mga superstars. Ito po ang PSBQ Basketball League. 22 seconds remaining. Alforno will go for 40 seconds shot clock. 3-point dig ang lamang ng Tiangas Gourmet. Bakay, inbounding. Ito na naman, Akshay, oh, Bakay! No! Okay, that's it! Ricky called for a foul. Penalty pong Alforno. 10 seconds remaining. Velasco for insurance basket. Kailangan lang i-cheat mo lahat yan. Sabi, magagalit si mama mo. Ano? Nagwintes. Velasco for insurance basket. You have just make one. Para sure lang. Velasco, second shot. Pasok! Pops up! Bakay, wala! And that's it! Game number 1! Kinuha na po ng Gianna's Gourmet! Final score, 70-66! Nice game for both teams. Maraming salamat po. Again, maraming salamat. See you again for another basketball action before we go. Tango to. May mag-decide po ng bago. Grabe. Okay, final. Okay, final word from our sponsors. PSBQ would like to thank the following sponsors: MC Cargo, McDonald's Qatar, nandiyo po lang ng Shanty Gianna's basketball team, Gianna's Gumetio, Willis Apparel, nandiyo din po ang Hookah Papare, HB Kids, JPEX TV, and of course, nandiyo din po ang Sinang Digital Media, nandiyo po si Tiso Duque, and of course, si Iowa Nation. This is Atutok Saigon. This is the finals, and Alforno versus Gianna's Gumetio. Finish 1-0. Leading na po ang Gianna's Gourmet. Maraming salamat po and thank you very much. See you next week po, another basketball action for the second game between Gianna's Gourmet and Alforno.